Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to polish up that upper intake of a V35 Skyline. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, as you can see, the garage needs a bit of a clean up first, so we'll do that and then we'll get stuck in to the intake manifold. Alrighty guys, looking a lot better. We'll get started. Alrighty guys, so we just cleaned up the bench bit, so the K34 head is just over here now. So we've got enough space. So first up, we're going to take the throttle body off. I have soaked in WD-40 the last couple of days. So hopefully it should be quite easy to get off. I did spray some degreaser in there as well, but we'll do a little bit more, clean up the inside as well, and it's polishing the outside. Alright, we'll just loosen these off. Right, so we're just going to get these off. Right, so we've got the throttle body off. I'm just going to put that to the side and I'll probably clean that up later. Right, so the next thing I'll do is take these hoses off. There we go, so I've got all the hardware off and it's time for a good scrub. So we'll get some brushes out, similar to this. I'll give it a quick once over. Alright guys, so we're just going to do a dry brush with this one first. Get all the really heavy stuff off. A lot of this is just from sitting around. This has been sitting around in my parents' garage. No more there. Alright guys, the reason why I'm doing this before even sanding it and polishing it, just to clean it up a bit, just so there's not as much schmutz on there that'll get stuck into the sandpaper and all the tools that we'll be using. So just a rough clean, you know. Alright guys, so it's been prepped with the degreaser. I'm going to be using the 50mm discs. So that'll go into the drill. This is the piece. These just lock on. Just screw on. Hey look! Safety glasses. Alright, so what do we got? 80. Which is this one. Actually might use the 80 because I've got a whole bunch of sandpaper as well, and that starts at 120 I think. So after I hit that, I'll use the 120. So the goal here is to take all the casting bumps away and make it nice and smooth and eventually mirror like. So if there are any casting lines, I will take them off as well. Let's see how we go. Let's see how quick this goes. If it's pretty quick and easy, I'm going to head out today with the fam and go do something. Sorry guys. Safety. Might quickly try the 50. Some of you are probably screaming because it will put big gouges in there. Let's just see. Definitely roughed it up. It's getting back a lot quicker. So I'm just going to do this whole front section first and get stuck into the rest of it tonight. That. Here we go. Turn that to just along this edge. And so on. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching this far into the video. When I was editing, it seemed a little bit boring, so thanks for tuning in. I have gone a little bit further since what you've seen, so I have got some sandpaper onto it. But, we'll do that in another video. We'll probably do that next week, definitely not the next episode. Trying not to back up 2 days in a row with the same content because it's not getting the views. So next episode we'll get onto the rear bumper, painting the diffuser. So that being said, hit that like button if you like what you saw, and also if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.